Welcome to Accessible Computer Podcast. Agent Amazon here, and today I'm going to start a new season of my podcast. And I'll start this new season because I'm looking to publish for a while now only episodes related with WordPress. I'd like to teach you how to install a WordPress blog, how to manage a WordPress blog, and how to do all sorts of tasks under WordPress CMS just to be independent when it's about publishing or managing your website. All right, so WordPress is a CMS, content management system. It is open source, so you do not need to pay anything for WordPress. But before starting, I'd like to clarify one aspect. WordPress is available in two ways, or as a subdomain on WordPress.com. That means you'll have a subdomain and your blog will be hosted by WordPress.com free of charge. And your URL, your website will be something like http:// the name of the blog .wordpress.com. So this is the free version. This kind of WordPress have some advantages, but also some disadvantages. Advantages because, of course, it's free of charge. You have a certain amount of space available on WordPress.com service. You have everything there only to start the wizard and to set up your blog as you like. Disadvantages, you have some limitations in terms of adding media to your blog, in terms of uploading files to your blog. Also, you cannot use third-party plugins. So you'll be limited to use only the plugins which are agreed by WordPress.com. And also you'll have to maintain on your blog ads which are promoted by WordPress.com, because this is the way how they run the business free of charge for you. But what I'm tending to do is to show you how to manage a self-hosted blog. That means you have to buy a domain name and you have to have hosting. Usually you can buy both of those from the same provider. So where you buy hosting, you can buy also a domain. Other way, you have to be careful with a detail related with the domain name servers. The domain name have attached a domain name server. So that means when you buy a name like yourname.com or yourname.co.uk or businessname.co.uk, that domain must have a name server attached. Other way, the browser, any computer will don't know where to take you over when somebody will type that URL or will click on that URL. So for this reason, the name server is very important to be accurate and to be linked with the server where your website will be hosted. Mainly, if you buy the domain and the hosting from the same provider, they already have the name server set it up correctly for you, and that is an advantage. And also another advantage is it is very possible for the first year to pay nothing for the domain. So practically you pay only the hosting for the first year, and then only from the second year of the hosting you have to pay the domain too. Depends what kind of offers you have, you find out on the internet. But as I said, many offers there. I have nothing to direct you into a direction or others. I can mention 3 or 4 big names in terms of hosting: HostGator, HostMonster, GoDaddy, Bluehosting, and also WordPress.com. If you buy a domain through WordPress.com and you buy a premium account, it's a different thing. It's like a self-hosted website. Okay, I have my own hosting here in UK. It's based into a data center in Manchester. The company where I have the hosting is called Unlimited Web Hosting, and they offer for £36 per year unlimited hosting, which is absolutely great. And you can host as many domains you want. You can use as much space or traffic you like. is a good price, and they are very good in terms of technical support. Because we are talking about technical support, this is a very, very important aspect of your hosting account. So be sure the company what you go with will have 24-hour support, 7 days per week. Other way, if they have no stuff over the night time or over the weekends or bank holidays, you'll be in this situation, for example, your website to be shut down for various reasons, and nobody will be there to give you a hand to put all the things right. Of course, some of the things, if you know what to do under your cPanel, you can do, but if there's a problem which cannot be sorted out from the cPanel, or even you have no access to cPanel, that means you have to go to the provider website and there to raise a ticket and to describe the problem. If nobody is there for 2 or 3 days, your website will be down, and this is a very serious issue in case your website is a business or even a personal website. If you have a good traffic and you have to build up a brand or a reputation, to have for 3 days a website down just because you had no technical support from your hosting provider is a real issue. Okay, so this is what I want to say about WordPress. 2 kinds of WordPress. I'm talking about self-hosted WordPress. Then I'll buy a domain, blindblogger.uk, and once the domain will be purchased, I'll go to my cPanel under my hosting account, because I have already hosting account purchased with other occasion. I'll add the new domain to my hosting. Then I'll create an email address under the new purchased domain name. Then I will install WordPress on this new domain, and I'll show you the domain is there, the WordPress is there up and running with the default sample page, with the default article, and I will have access to the website dashboard. This is what I'll try to demonstrate now. I will use a Windows machine with JAWS 16 and Windows 10, and the browser will be Internet Explorer 11. I'm hitting now Windows R to open run.
Windows R, run dialog. Type the name www period.
And I'll type the unlimited.
UNLIMITEDWEBHOSTING.
Unlimited web hosting.
Unlimited web hosting period.
.co.uk.
Enter.
Why this provider? Because if I'll buy a domain from my provider, they will set up the name service for my domain straight away. Blindblogger.
BLINDBLOGGER. Blindblogger period.
.uk.
UK. Enter. Search button. Edit. Blindblogger.uk. Search button unavailable. Blank. Blank. Congratulations. Blindblogger.uk is available. Blank. £4.99 GBP. Blank. Congratulations. Blindblogger.uk is available. Blank. £4.99 GBP. Add to cart button.
Okay, so I'll buy this one. Blindblogger UK.
Enter.
Enter.
Blank. Hot.co.uk. Services heading level 4. Domain checker heading level 1. Search button. Checkout button.
I'm going
Space.
to check out.
Shopping cart unlimited web hosting UK Ltd. Shopping cart unlimited web hosting UK Ltd. One visited link view cart. Blank. Please review your domain name selections and any add-ins that are available for them.
Okay, so I have to review my domain name.
Blank. Blindblogger.uk. Registration period. Blindblogger.uk. Space. BLINDBLOGGER. Period. UK. Registration period. 1 year /s. Hosting. Blank.
So registration cycle is for 1 year.
Link no hosting. Click to add.
No hosting. Click to add, but I have hosting.
Legal type. Combo box individual. Legal type. Combo. Blank. UK limited company. Blank. UK public limited company. Blank. UK partnership. Blank. UK limited liability partnership. Blank. Sole trader.
Okay, so I have to
Blank. UK
select
statute.
here.
Blank. UK school. Blank. UK industrial /provident. Blank. Other foreign organizations. Blank. Foreign organization. Blank. UK entity other. Blank. UK registered charity. Blank. Sole trader.
Sole trader, I'll choose.
Tab. Company ID number. Edit. Tab. Registered name. Edit.
Register name.
ACCESAIDLE. Accessible. COMPUTER. Computer. Tab. NAM servers. Checkbox not checked.
Name
Space
service. Okay, it's exactly what I was
Virtual
talking
PC.
about earlier on.
Voice opt out. NAM servers. Checkbox checked. NAM servers. Blank. If you want to use custom NAM servers, then enter them below. By default, new domains will use our NAM servers for hosting on our network. Blank. NAM server 1. Edit ns0.unlimited.net. NAM server 2. Edit ns1.unlimited.net. NAM server.
Okay, so the name servers are okay.
Continue button.
Continue.
Enter. Shopping cart unlimited web hosting UK Ltd. 1 region. Base headings insert list of 5 items. Shopping cart heading level 1. Heading level 1 review and checkout. Visited link view cart. Product slash options. Price slash cycle. Domain registration. Visited link edit. Lindbauer.ug. £4.99 GBP. 1 year button menu expanded.
Here I can select a longer cycle. So I'll leave 1 year at the moment.
Add panel start. Edit enter promo code if you add one. Heading level 2 order summary. Subtotal £4.99. VAT 20.00%. Total £5.99 GBP. Blank. £5.99 Visited link checkout. Blank. Visited link checkout. Enter. Checkout visited link. Unlimited web hosting UK limited link graphic 1 region 7 headings list of 5 items. Shopping cart heading level 1. Heading level 1 checkout. Heading. Visited link view cart. Blank. Please enter your personal details and billing information to checkout.
Okay, billing information.
Blank. Domain registrant information. Blank. You may specify alternative registered contact details for the domain registration as in your order when placing an order on behalf of another person or entity. If you do not require this, you can skip this section. Blank. Combo box use default contact details above. Payment details. Total due today £5.99. Blank. Your available credit balance is £12.32 GBP.
Okay.
Blank. Radio button check apply £5.99 GBP from my credit balance to this order. No further payment will be due.
Alright, so I had some credit left under my account.
Apply £5.99 GBP from my credit balance to this order. No further payment will be due. Radio button not checked. Do not apply any credit from my credit balance. Do not apply any credit. Blank. Additional notes. You can enter any additional blank. I have read and agree to the terms of service. Checkbox not checked.
Okay, I have read.
Space. I have read and agree to the terms. I have read and agree to the link terms of service. Blank. Complete order button.
Complete order.
Enter.
Now I have to double check
Shopping cart heading level 1. Heading level 1 checkout.
if the checkout process was okay.
Domain visited link view cart. Blank. Please enter your personal details and billing information to check. Blank. Please correct the following errors before continuing. Blank. List of 1 items. Bullet. You must accept our terms of service.
Alright, so that accepting the terms of service
List end.
checkbox was not hit.
I have read and agree to the terms of service. Checkbox not checked. Space. I have read and agree to the terms of service. Checkbox not checked.
Alright, so it is a problem here, but I'll press Control Space Bar.
Control space checked.
Okay.
Complete order button.
Complete
Enter.
order.
Copyright 2018 Unlimited Web Hosting UK Limited. All rights reserved. 1 region. 7 heading. Categories heading level 3. Thank you. Blank. Your order number is blank. Thank you for your order. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Blank. Your order number is 578042637.
Alright, so thank you for your order. The order now is okay. I can leave the website. Now I have the domain blindblogger.uk and now I have to add the domain on my hosting account. My hosting account have a main domain which is accessible-computer.co.uk and I have to go into cPanel. cPanel or control panel, it is the area where I can manage all the aspects and details of my hosting account. It's different than the website admin. The administration area for my website is a different stuff. So do not make any confusion between admin area for a website and cPanel, which is the administration area for the hosting resources and details. So I'm going now accessible-computer.co.uk /
Windows R. Run dialog. Type the name www.accessible-computer. Accessible computer. Co. Period. UK. /cpanel. /panel. Enter. Blank page. Internet Explorer. New tab page. Accessible-computer.co.uk.
Alright.
cPanel login. Username. Edit. Enter your username. Space.
Here I have a username for my hosting account. I'll hide this username.
New tab page. Password. Password edit required. Star.
Here is the password for my cPanel.
Star. Tab. Login button. Enter. Login button available. Login successful. Redirecting.
And now here I can manage all sorts of
Login successful. Redirecting.
Of my
cPanel main. Edit. Find functions quickly by typing here.
I need to go to add domain. I'll hit insert F7 to make a links list.
Links list dialog. Links A. Added /index.
Okay.
Added domains.
Add domains.
Enter. Added domains. Visited link.
This is the
cPanel added
place
domains. New domain name edit.
where I have to be.
Space.
New domain. Edit. I'll type here blind blogger.
BLINDBLOGGER. Lindbauer. Period.
.uk.
UK. Tab. Subdomain edit. Lindbauer.
Subdomain will be blind blogger.
Tab. Document root /edit. Lindbauer.uk.
Subdomain root. I'll leave as it is.
Tab. Create an FTP account associated with this added domain. Checkbox not checked.
Create an FTP account. If, for example, if you have multiple managers for your hosting account and you have multiple websites hosted under the same account, you can create a FTP account for each website, for each administrator, just to not mess out the work of one to each other. It's not the case here. I'm the only one who works with this hosting.
Tab. Add domain button.
Add domain button.
Space.
And now I have to check the result.
Blank. Heading level 2. Modify added domain. Edit search. cPanel added domains. Navigation region. One region.
I'm
One heading
going
and links.
on the top.
Heading level 1 added domain. The added domain link modder has been created. If you would like to manage the files for this domain, you can do so here. Link file manager. Visit link home. Backlist of free items. Link home. Link trademarks. Link trademarks. Link home.
Was added. You heard Joe's reporting the blindblogger.uk domain was added. I can manage the files now, but I'll go back
Enter
to
home. Visit
home.
link. See panel name.
And
See panel
now
name. Complimentary information end.
I have to make two things. I have to create an email address which will be under the blindblogger.uk website. It is good because in that way I can manage separately every website, and also looks much professional when you have an email address which is not gmail.com or hotmail.com but is under your own domain. So I'll create an email address, contact@blindblogger.uk. I'm going to email accounts.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Email accounts. Enter. Email accounts visited link. See panel email accounts. See panel email accounts. One region. 6 headings. Tab. Documentation link. Email edit. Enter an account name. Space. Email edit required.
Email. So here I have to type only the bits which are before @ character. So it is contact.
CONTACT. Contact. Tab. Accessibly.computer.co.edit.
And here the domain is accessiblecomputer.co.uk. I'll arrow down to blindblogger.uk. Now I'll double check. I'll go to the top.
See panel email accounts. Email edit contact.
Contact. Press E again to go to the next edit field. It's still not correct, so I'll type here
BLINDBLOGGER. Blindblogger. Period. UK.
blindblogger.uk.
Shift tab. Email edit required. Contact. Tab. Blindblogger.edit.
All right, so now it's okay. I've typed into the second edit field blindblogger.uk. Also, there is a drop-down list where you can see all your domains and you can choose the right domain and you wish to create the new email address. For some reason, JAWS is not handling correctly that drop-down list, so I prefer to type it manually.
Tab. Password edit required.
Password.
Star.
So this will be the password
Star,
for
space.
the new email.
Star. Star space. Star. Tab. Password again. Password edit required. Star. Star. Radio button checked.
And now here's a
Virtual
radio
PC.
button.
Mailbox quota. Radio button checked. Edit 250.
Default is 250 megabytes.
MB. Radio button not checked. Unlimited. Unlimited.
And the second radio button is unlimited.
Create account button. Unlimited. Radio button not checked. Unlimited. Space. Unlimited radio button checked.
I prefer unlimited. Probably will be a very busy inbox.
Tab. Create account button.
Create.
Enter. Create account button available.
Create account button. Now the email is created. I'm waiting for the confirmation.
Success. Account contact at blindblogger. Created. Send welcome email with mail client configuration instructions. Checkbox checked.
Okay, so you had here success.
Success. Account contact at blindblogger. Created.
Account email contact@blindblogger.uk created.
Send welcome email with mail client configuration instructions. Checkbox checked.
I can tick this tick box here and I'll receive the email configuration manual instruction for adding the account under Outlook or any other email client. But now is the main point to install actually the WordPress, the self-hosted WordPress. And for this step I have to go in cPanel and to choose here an area where is installed on my hosting account a software which is able to install all sorts of CMS platforms, and in this long list is WordPress as well. I'll hit insert F7 to create again a
links list dialog. Links list page. Home.
Links list.
Enter.
I'm going to home.
Home visited link. See panel name.
And
Email accounts visited link.
I have to find software, Softaculous. So this is Softaculous, is the software which is able to install automatically WordPress on your new purchase domain, as is my case. So I'll
Softaculous apps installer. Softaculous/index.live. Enter.
I'll go here.
Softaculous/index.live visited link.
And
Softaculous
here,
powered by Softaculous. Link graphic images /header 160. Link PHP. Link JavaScript. Link Perl. Link classes. Link graphic images. Link Softaculous/index.live. Link Softaculous powered by Softaculous. Link graphic images /header. Link PHP. Link JavaScript. Link Perl. Link classes. Link graphic images /Godot Panel White. Link Softaculous/index.live.
I'm just arrowing down
Link Softaculous/index.live.
to give you a taste
Link Softaculous/index.live.
of what is it here. But I'll hit again insert
Links list
F7
dialog. Links W. Wikis.
and I'll hit W from WordPress.
W. WordPress is a state-of-the-art publishing platform with a focus on aesthetics. Web standard. Install.
Install. So you heard WordPress and then
WordPress is a state-of-the-art publishing platform with a focus on aesthetics, web standards, and usability.
So this is a short description of what WordPress is capable of. And if I arrow down,
Install.
I have
Enter.
install.
New tab page. Install. Visit link on mouse over.
Now I'm going to
Subtabulous WordPress. WordPress 83 links.
to the
WordPress graphics
top
left
of
parent
the
4.77.
page.
Subtabulous link graphic images / header. Link PHP. Link JavaScript. No headings. Welcome to Amazon.
Unfortunately, are no headings available here, but if you hit letter N, you can jump to the block of the content which is on the middle. WordPress. So I'm installing WordPress.
Graphic 4.77 out of 5. Graphic 4.7. Graphic 4.7. Graphic 4.7. Graphic 4.7. Version 4.9.5.
It's telling me what version is.
Link graphic notifies Subtabulous of a new version. Release date 04042018. Link install.
Okay.
Link overview.
So install,
Link
overview,
Link
features, screenshots,
Link
demo.
Link ratings. Link
Ratings, reviews,
Link import.
import.
Blank. Quick install button. Software setup. Separator. Blank. Choose protocol. If your site has SSL, then please choose the HTTPS protocol.
Here is a combo box.
Combo box HTTPS //
You have to be sure if you have no SSL certificate on your website. You can use simply HTTP.
Blank. Accessiblecomputer.com.
Accessible computer. No, I'll choose from here blindblogger.uk.
Linkblogger.uk.
Okay, this is the one.
Tab. The directory edit. WP.
Directory. Here is a good point, and don't forget to do this change here. Other way, you'll be in lots of frustration probably, at least in the very beginning, because WordPress is trying to create a directory under your public HTML folder where all the website's roots are. So in order to avoid this problem, remove
W space
this WP here. So leave this field empty.
Tab. Site name edit. My blog.
You can change, for example, if you want to install with Subtabulous or WordPress in a particular folder and just to have a play for a while, you can put the name of the directory where you want to leave to allow Subtabulous to install the new WordPress, and we'll be done.
Shift tab. The directory edit. Tab. Site name edit. My blog.
Site name here is the name of
GOLB space YM space
my website. So I'll type here Blind Blogger.
BLIND blind BLOGGER.
This name will appear on the title of the home page.
Blogger tab. Site description edit. My WordPress blog.
Site description. This is a kind of slogan which will be also under the title of the website. I'll type here WordPress for Blind.
WORD RESS WordPress FOR4 BLIND blind tab. Enable multi-site WPMU checkbox not checked.
Enable multi-site. So you can manage multiple sites from a single control panel. Is not the case. I'll not check this box here.
Tab. Admin username edit.
Admin username. I strongly recommend to not leave admin as username.
Adrian tab. Admin password edit pass.
And of course not the password. Do not leave the password pass, or do not use 12345. Unfortunately, the password will appear here in clear, so I'll cut off the password.
Tab. Generate a random password link.
And also here is a link where you can generate a random password, which will be strong enough.
Tab. Admin email edit. Admin at linkblogger.uk.
Here is the admin email, is the main email which will be attached to your new blog, and all the contacts and all the comments and all the activity what is done under your new blog will send emails to this email address. So it's not mandatory to put an email address which is under your domain. You can use a Gmail if you want, but I'll put the new created address at
contact at
blind
blogger UK. Tab. Select language combo box English.
Select language is
Tab. Limit
English.
login attempts loginizer checkbox not checked.
Loginizer is a plugin which limit the login attempts to 3 and then ask the user to wait for 30 minutes to have another try. I'll not install this plugin.
Tab. Search combo box. Stay added.
You can install it if you want. And here is search if you want to install a theme.
Tab. Select link.
Here are 3 different themes which are
Virtual PC. Link select. Link select. Link void 0.
proposals.
Link select. Link select. Link select. Positive on mouse over. Right on mouse over. Right on mouse over.
Righty.
Refresh. Right on mouse over. Right on mouse over.
Right.
Positive on mouse over.
positive.
Link select. Link select. Link select. Link void 0. Blank.
Unfortunately,
Link
here
select.
are 3 different select links. So keep in mind is the order of the themes as they are read here.
Link select. Link select. Positive on mouse over. Right on mouse over. Right key on mouse over. Refresh. Install button.
Okay, and I'll hit here install button.
Enter.
Now I'm waiting for the confirmation.
WordPress has been successfully installed at link http://www.lintbarber.org.
Okay, so here is the address of my new blog, and the admin area for my new blog is
administrative URL. Link http://www.lintbarber.org/wp-admin/. Administrative link http://www.lintbarber.org/wp-admin/.
So is my domain name followed by /WP, so the abbreviation from WordPress, -admin/. So I'll press enter here.
Enter.
And will take me straight to my
WordPress tab group 2. No link.
administration area.
Dashboard blind border M-WordPress tab group 2.
So I'm on the dashboard.
Main menu navigation region. Same page link skip to main content. Same page link skip to toolbar. List of 11 items. Link dashboard.
Dashboard.
List of 2 items nesting. Link home. Link updates.
Home
List and nesting level 1.
updates.
Link as pop-up posts. List of 4 items. Link all posts.
All posts.
Link add new. Link categories.
Add
Link
new
tag.
categories.
List and nesting level 1.
tags,
Link as pop-up media.
Media. So the site is installed. I'll close completely now
Alt F4.
here.
Internet Explorer dialog. Do you want to close all tabs or just the current tab? Close all tabs button. Alt space.
All tabs.
Audacity track 1.
Okay, and now I hit again Windows R to go and run
www.
blind
LINDBLOGGER.
blogger
Lintbarber.
.uk, and here I'll hit enter.
Enter. www.lintbarber.org. Desktop folder view list 2. Audacity Internet Explorer. Blind Barber and WordPress for blind tutorials. New tab page. www.lintbarber.org/number link. Lintbarber.org. www.lintbarber.org/number link. RSS feeds. 15 regions. 8 headings. Same page link skip to content. Same page link number mob menu. Search region. Search for. Edit search button. Search region end. Banner. Visited heading level 1 link blind Barber. Heading level 2 WordPress for blind tutorials. Navigation region. Navigation region. Heading level 2 WordPress for blind tutorials.
Yeah,
Navigation region. Link sample page.
is a sample page.
List end. Navigation region end. Navigation region end. Banner end. Main region. Article. Heading level 2 link hello world. Link April 23rd, 2018.
Okay, so all the website is done now.
Link www.lintbarber.org/number.
What I have to do now is to customize the blog, but the blog is installed, the sample page is installed, the sample article is also installed, the blog is up and running. I have now to start the real work. Practically, to buy a domain, to install a WordPress site, it is a 15 minutes job, probably like that. Probably will take longer for a screen reader user, but it's not a complicated thing at all. So just follow these steps, and if you encounter any problem, just give me a shout or write on the comments or follow blindblogger.uk, because I will post everything about blogging for blind people over there on the new setup blog, blindblogger.uk. All right. In the meantime, if you want to contact me on Twitter, the ID is accessible, capital A, compu, capital C. So C, capital OMPU. Accessible compu, one word, capital A, capital C. Yeah, quite complicated, but that's it. And also on Skype, you can ring me or chat with me, accessible.computer. This is the ID. By phone, I'm answering to 077 88 24 11 25. God bless you and keep in touch.